वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय। आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय। जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय।
वारो हमारी केक खवाउंदे माइया में जन्मदिन दिया, जन्मदिन दिया, जन्मदिन दिया। Happy birthday.
It's the show time.
मैंने पहले बारी shoes, gonna let my body loose, totally है थोड़ी booze, let's party on my mind. Hey happy ride, the Saturday night, और music भी है right, let's party on my mind, mind.
यू करते पारी शारी जैसे हो पहली बारी, सामने थक जाए तो कहते चल कर let's go, चिल्ला चिल्ला कह दो मस्ती की खोलो खिड़की, जैसे परवाना चलती कदमों को खिड़की दो, हाथों को ऊपर लो, आंखें तो बंद कर दो।
Happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration, party night, we feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration, everybody get.
It's the show time.
दुनिया में लोगों ने दिल अपने फिर थामे, आया हूँ लेकर मैं फिर कितने हंगामे। जरा देखो कौन आ गया है, जमाने पे जो छा गया है। जमी किस पे है सब निगाहें, बोली किसकी खातिर है बाहें। मुझको पहचान लो।
मेरे बेटे ने बोला है मुझे जाना होगा।
हमारे वहाँ पर जब भी हम इन्हें बुलाते हैं तो वो कुछ भी कर रहे हो सब कुछ छोड़ के आ जाता है। Okay, but honestly, he's a perfect juggler. Someone who maintains a flawless balance between his family's hobbies, sports, and companies. A person who started his entrepreneurial journey just a decade ago And yes, I mean it. It is not just a company, it's companies. With literally no money in hand, zero business experience, no business network, today he is the director of 3 private limited companies employing 650 plus employees. His determination is as strong as iron, but his heart is as soft as a rose petal. His life journey is nothing less than a case study. He has challenged every fundamental, built his own theory of real success, and today he has mastered it and leads by example. He made sure that पिछले 10 सालों में जिसने भी इन्वेस्ट किया उन्हें 10x, at least 10x रिटर्न मिले.
मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा बोल दिया, थोड़ा मुझे बोलने दो.
Okay. So now let's call Mama on stage and sing a beautiful song for Papa.
Now, before I sing the song, I would like to speak a few words for Vijay. We all know that Vijay is an introvert man. He has always stopped me from praising him in public. But Vijay, आज तो सुनना पड़ेगा. And since it's your day, so I'm going to start in your style. वो पारस है जिसे छू ले उसे सोना बना दे. वो वीर है जो तूफानों को भी खिलौना बना दे. वो सच्चाई की मशाल से झूठ के अंधेरे भगा दे. वो खुद को झुकाकर दूसरों को ऊंचा बना दे. Yes, these lines truly depict the kind of person he is. Courageous, honest, incredibly human, and above all, a person with a golden heart. As a father, I would say he is an exceptional. Usually when it comes to a child's career, so the fathers they tend to become a little strict. But this, you must have heard, a song also. Bapu se hat ke liye tu to hamkar hai. But this Bapu is totally different. He's totally opposite. He does it all with so much love and with completely different approach, I would say. He uses gentle guidance and soft mentorship. His patience, his understanding, and the time he invests in them is something that inspires me every single day. I could never imagine that such an emotional and honest person with no street smartness along with mountain-sized financial and family challenges could do a business. So initially I was totally against this idea, but then he told me this is Orient's future. So I stepped back and supported him. Believe me, it has been a roller coaster journey, company after company, and for a long time, I really had no clue what was actually happening. Today, I must admit that I was terribly wrong. I'm so happy to say that. In the last decade, he has founded 3 companies. Investors Gurukul, which is now a tech company. LG Infosystems, known to the world as Telangam, where today Telangam teaches more than 20,000 kids in over 60 countries and employs over 600 people. And then there's Rent Basket, which is already taking off in Gurgaon and Noida. That he did all of this while the kids were in the most crucial phase of their career. And he never missed giving them the quality time they needed. How he manages wiring his businesses, family, and his hobbies with such ease, to me, is just like a walking case study. And let me share some more secrets. What Chute Rustam hai. He is an artist. He writes, sketches, dances, who truly cares and patiently listens to my problems, even the silliest ones. Ever since he has left his job in 2018, we have been together all the time. And and I still feel honored to stand here and sing this song for him. The song goes this.
जब जब सांसें भरती हूँ तेरे दिल की गलियों से मैं हर रोज गुजरती हूँ हवा के जैसे चलता है तू मेरी जैसी उड़ती हूँ कौन तुझे यूं प्यार करेगा जैसे मैं करती हूँ
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरा बचपन से एक सपना रहा है कि मैं पापा जैसा बन सकूं। जिस तरह वो चलते हैं, काम करते हैं, सोचते हैं, बस वैसे ही मैं भी कुछ कर सकूं। दो आई नेवर कैन रेप्लिकेट इट फुली, और शायद ये कभी कर भी ना पाऊं, बिकॉज मेरे पापा जैसा इस दुनिया में और कोई नहीं। पापा, द वर्ड इटसेल्फ मीन्स द वर्ल्ड टू मी। दिल से शुक्रिया फॉर लिटरली क्यूरेटिंग माई लाइफ सो थॉटफुली कि आज जो कुछ भी मैं हूँ, आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट बिकॉज ऑफ इट। मेरे बचपन के ट्रांट्रम से लेकर उन बेड टाइम फनी स्टोरीज तक आप कभी भी बस एक टिपिकल फादर नहीं रहे, बल्कि हमेशा एक मेंटोर रहे, एक दोस्त रहे। आई वॉन्ट टू रिसाइट अ स्निपेट ऑफ फ्रॉम अ लेटर जो पापा ने मुझे लिखा था इन April 2016. He wrote, quotation, "We are friends and I love being your friend more than being a father. The only difference is that I have a little more experience than you, and that little more experience pinch me to guide you all the time." I want to see you as a successful person. A successful person in my eyes is not the 10-pointer in the class, but a 10-pointer in the test of humanity and enabling others to live with dignity and love. Last but not the least, my mantra on 12th birthday is to plan today to enjoy unplanned things in the future. Enjoy to the fullest, but every moment of enjoyment should be meaningful and towards your goal. I have given you the mission IIT on this special day, the 12th birthday. You have 6 years, a long way to go. The challenge is to be on track to achieve the goal of being a successful person. And these lines really shaped my priorities thereafter. And Dad, I hope I could live up to that expectations. You stood by me like a rock during my drop year, bringing dinner to the library 30 minutes away from home and waiting outside just so that I could get 2 extra hours to study. The best part, you never let me feel it was a burden on you, or that you were taking out time from your crucial build-up phase of your businesses. As a founder, you showed me the grit behind the glory, even sharing stories of carrying furniture yourself. You taught me that if you do business with utmost honesty and don't surrender to the tough situations, you can never fail. And Dad, you are a living testament to that. अब थोड़ी पर्सनल बात करते हैं. पर्सनल वॉक्स पे जब जिस तरह आप मम्मा के बारे में इतनी रिस्पेक्ट से बात करते हो और हमेशा उन्हें ही अल्टीमेट रोल मॉडल बताते हो इन फेमिनिन कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इट इज जस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. Honestly, seeing your love makes me believe in it and excites me about the true power of love. Papa, I really love you and you truly mean the world to me. I wish I could share all your stories here, जो किसी भी बॉलीवुड मूवी से बेहतर होगी, I promise. Stories where you are the hero I aspire to be. I promise to write a book on your views and experiment with truth one day for sure, guys. But today, I'm going to sing a song for you.
want to express my feelings for you. I want to thank you for all the things you have done for me. You have been greatest teacher. You taught me how to play lawn tennis, table tennis, swimming, billiards and chess. Also the lessons that went far beyond the game. I always love to go with you for the morning and evening walks because you quietly teach me discipline and consistency. You made me join dance and basketball classes, always reminding me that growth happens only outside comfort. You never hesitate to stand by me. Your love, patience, courage shaped who I am today. I am truly blessed to be your son. Happy 50th birthday. Here's to many more years ahead.
Yes. Let's give a big cheers to the very talented family of Manju.
So it's your 50th, but confusion है 15th है या 50th है, because it's falling on 15th. So you can stay happy considering that you are still 15. Wish you very happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday मामू, congratulations for the 50th birthday. Trust me, आप 50 years के कहीं से भी नहीं लगते हैं, right 30. और आई होप कि आपकी तबीयत ठीक है, आपका पैर भी ठीक है, क्योंकि मेरा आपका हराना बैडमिंटन में अभी भी ड्यू है.
डियर महेंद्र जी, आपको 50वीं जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. आप हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहो, स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो और हमारे साथ जन्मदिन मनाते रहो. धन्यवाद.
Hey Vijay, hope you're having a good time. Wishing you a very very happy special milestone 50th birthday to you. Sorry, I'm traveling, not in town, so not able to make it. On this special day, some memories that really stand out for me, from our time in college, embedded deep down. I clearly remember how focused you were in college. Very very career focused. Overall, you were like always very driven. Obviously coming from a very humble background, you really wanted to prove it out there, and just amazing to see how your journey has been. You were the first one from our batch who traveled overseas. I think you went to Japan immediately after college or your first job, and probably the first one who took plunge in property investment in Noida. Some very weird memories stand out. How it all adds up to how ultimately driven you were to make it big in life and setting the right foundation for what is yet to come, which is your family. And just so happy to see how your family has been doing, the dance video that you record, how your son has done so well getting into IIT Delhi. So just very happy for you. Enjoy your time, and hopefully we'll catch up in person very very soon, Vijay.
हेलो विजय, आज का ये वीडियो रेंट बास्केट के लिए नहीं बल्कि आपके लिए है कि जो दोस्ती हमारे बच्चों से शुरू हुई थी वो हम पे आके रुकी, और आप एक ऐसे दोस्त महसूस हुए हमें जिसके की घर की घंटी हम दिन रात किसी भी टाइम बजा देंगे. इजाजत आपकी हमेशा है. हैप्पी 50th बर्थडे.
Hey Vijay, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Though I must say you don't look 50, it's a special milestone for a very special person. I am lucky that I got introduced to you while playing tennis, and I hope and I wish, just like the way you play tennis with passion and commitment, you continue to live your life that way. And I'm sure we will come together to celebrate the unicorn status of Rent Basket, given your vision that you have for the company. Once again, I want to wish you all the best and a very happy birthday.
If you have any wishes for Dad, please make sure that you write it on the wish tree. It is there for you.
Narendra Babu, as he is popularly called, is a suspected incarnation of Shiv Kumar Batalvi, a person of versatile talents. He juggles poetry, fine arts, western dance and field sports with ease. Mehfil Ronak, he was in much demand after a few pegs went down our dry throats.
रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे। रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे। क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ, जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ। बेसब्रियाँ 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 बेसब्रियाँ। छोड़ के शर्म और तोड़ के भरम, दिखला दे दुनिया को तुझ में है टैलेंट गम, टैलेंट गम, टैलेंट गम, टैलेंट गम। अब घर से ही सीखेंगे हम टैलेंट गम, टैलेंट गम, टैलेंट गम, टैलेंट गम। कदमों पे तेरे बादल झुकेंगे, जब तक तुझे एहसास है जागीर तेरी, तेरा खजाना ये तश्नगी है, ये प्यास है। क्यों रोकना अब ये कारवां, जाए वही ले जाए जहाँ। बेसब्रियाँ 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 बेसब्रियाँ। दोनों से आगे है मंजर तेरे, क्यों रोशनी तू बाहर तलाशे, तेरी मशालें अंदर तेरे।
सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है, हमारी बातें को जितना जिसे आता है, बिखरे के मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के धरती को देखिए कदम चूम के, बिखरे के मैदान में जिस दिन हम झूम के धरती को देखिए कदम चूम के। सिकंदर ही दोस्तों कहलाता है।
जो रिस्पेक्ट आपने इसको दी है ना, इस रिलेशनशिप को, तो उसका नाम होना चाहिए जी 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 जा जी जी जी। सो दैट इज type of the respect you have earned. Today I congratulate you for completing 50 years of making this planet a better place to live every day and every moment. Okay. Thank you, Riju. Thanks a lot. Happy birthday. Thank you.
For the endless support that you have given me in my association with you for past 16 years. You have been just a call away. Thank you for being such a kind-hearted and loving personality. And definitely, Riju, you are the gem of the person. And I'm blessed to have the best Riju in the world. Happy birthday.
And I truly admire the person which you are and the values which you live by. And your hard work and determination, they are truly unparalleled. And I just want to say that may the years to come bring you immense joy, happiness and also health. Again, a very happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Wish you very, very happy birthday, Fufu. The 3 cheers for Fufu. You're the lovely Fufu in the world. No one can find you.
From tomorrow onwards, if you have a backache, don't tell it to Tanya. Keep it to yourself. If you walk into any room and you're not able to remember why I came for, don't tell it to Tanya.
With divine grace, Mr. Vijay Mahendru enters the golden jubilee year, the 50th year of his life, which is a significant milestone of life. He is a good human. This is how I can sum him up. Simple, yet excellent, laconic. He is a man of few words, yet eloquent. No frown can wrinkle his face. Once again, a very, very happy birthday to the shining star of both the Mahendrus and Oberai's families. Thank you.
मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए सांस तू, तीनों की दसा मेरे लिए क्या तू, मेरे लिए धड़कन मेरे लिए सांस तू, आए दिल तू जान तू, दर्द की दवा तू, जब तक मैं जीना मेरे
Now we are going to play and dance to a very special song, which Papa wrote and composed on the second birthday of Talent Camp. This song beautifully describes the company's vision and mission of creating a world where kids can learn extracurricular activities from the comfort of their homes and can excel in any field or career they choose later on in life. Yes, he envisioned a world which he himself was denied in childhood. Despite the fire burning fiercely within him, he grew up without the opportunities needed to shape and sharpen his skills and his many talents. He broke his barrier of shyness as late as in his 20s and actually learned dance in Thapar College. And Papa, being my dad, soon became the most desired partner on the stage of college fest. That's the kind of perseverance he is built with. Here is the special performance by me and Mao to celebrate your 50th birthday, Papa.
जिंदा रह के ये सब बातें सुनना शायद ही मिलता है। जज्बात की बारिशों में आज भीगने से न रोको, बरसों बाद सावन की घटाओं ने रुख मेरी ओर किया है। To my family, my caring parents, my amazing wife Tanya, and my lovely kids Hardik and Ryan. You all are the heart of my experiments with life. Without your blessings, love and sacrifices, I'm not sure मैं ये सब कर पाता। Tanya for being So thank you Tanya for being an extraordinary partner. You ensured the world around me stayed happy and taken care of. While I was busy doing, well, stupid things, back to back, and things that had just 0.1% of success for 10 years. And then last decade is dedicated to you. So you have marvelously handled all these things which probably it would not have been possible to do whatever I have done or whatever I have achieved today. Your selfless commitment, your passion for teaching, and that divine innocence you carry, and you make me feel like heaven was gifted to me on this earth. किसी के रब का तो पता नहीं मुझको, मैंने तो अपना रब तुझ में ही पाया है। किसी के रब का तो पता नहीं मुझको, मैंने तो अपना रब तुझ में ही पाया है। हर लम्हा हर पल तेरा सजदा करने को, मैंने दिल का हर कोना तेरा मंदिर बनाया है। Hardik, thank you. Thank you for being an extraordinary son. You haven't just made me feel proud most of the time. I will say that you have made me the way I am. Your belief in me has pushed my boundaries. God bless you, son, and my amazing son, Ryan. You have unbelievable memory. You are the current in our house. You are the one who keeps me charged up all the time, every single day. So, to all of you, thank you for being my home. Thank you so much. ये कुछ अक्षर जो जब जहाँ रुक जाएं वहीं महफिल बन जाती है। जहाँ रुक जाए वहीं महफिल बन जाती है। ये चल पड़े साथ तो कारवां बन जाता है। ये चल पड़े साथ तो कारवां बन जाता है। हम कहानी सुनाते रहे तो वो बात ना बने। ये दो लफ्ज भी कह दें तो अफसाना बन जाता है। There's a kind of melody.
लेगा हैंडल चल चल हिट पे जाने जिसको अपनी जान जब वो फोन पे आए नाचे गाए शर्म तो करते पाए पाए माइकल जैक्सन वाले दो से एक्शन करके